Have you ever considered making money with your coding skills? Imagine creating code snippets that save time for other developers. Today, we'll explore how you can turn this idea into a profitable venture. Developers often seek reusable code to reduce repetitive work. This is your opportunity to create and sell valuable code snippets. First, you need to identify a niche. Focus on specific programming languages or frameworks. For instance, JavaScript and Python have vast markets. Research common issues faced by developers in these niches. Next, create high-quality templates. Make sure they are well documented and user-friendly. Write clear instructions and include practical examples. Thoroughly test each snippet to ensure it works perfectly. Quality is crucial in attracting buyers. Now, let's discuss where to sell your code snippets. Platforms like GitHub and CodeCanyon are popular options. You could also create your website. Each platform has a unique audience, so choose wisely. Promoting your snippets is essential. Use social media to showcase your work. Share tutorials or write blog posts demonstrating how to use your snippets. Engaging content can draw potential customers. Consider partnering with other developers. Join online communities and forums. Share your snippets and ask for feedback. Networking can significantly enhance your visibility. Let's look at an example. Imagine creating a snippet for a weather app. Promote it with a step-by-step guide. Showcase it on YouTube or social media. This not only demonstrates its value but helps drive sales. In summary, selling code snippets can be a lucrative venture. Identify your niche, create quality snippets, and choose the right platform. Promote your work actively and connect with other developers. Are you ready to start? Begin creating your first code snippet today. Dive into your niche and discover how much you can earn. To succeed in this endeavor, consistency is key. Set aside dedicated time each week to refine and expand your offerings. Keep track of feedback from users to continuously improve your snippets. As you grow, consider diversifying into different programming languages or frameworks. This will widen your market appeal and increase your potential earnings. Stay updated with industry trends and adapt your offerings to meet changing developer needs. Your commitment to excellence can turn this side project into a thriving business. By consistently engaging with your audience, you can build a loyal customer base. Consider launching an email newsletter to keep your followers informed about new snippets and updates. Offer exclusive discounts to subscribers as a way to foster a sense of community. This not only increases engagement but also helps you gauge what types of snippets your audience desires most. Encourage users to share their own experiences and ideas, creating a collaborative environment around your work. As your library of snippets grows, so too will your reputation as a reliable resource in the coding community. Leveraging user feedback will help you innovate and expand in ways that resonate with your clientele. Stay persistent and don't be discouraged by initial challenges. Every successful venture starts with small steps. Celebrate minor victories along the way, whether it's a positive review or a sale, as these moments will fuel your motivation. Regularly revisit and revise your snippets based on user needs and feedback to ensure they remain relevant and valuable. Consider creating bundled offers or subscription services for your snippets, providing ongoing value to your customers while generating recurring revenue. Engage actively with your audience by hosting Q&A sessions or webinars to address their coding challenges and showcase your expertise. Keeping the conversation going will deepen connections and expand your reach within the developer community. Stay curious and always be on the lookout for innovative ways to enhance your offerings and enhance your reputation as a go-to resource for developers seeking efficient coding solutions. Your journey in creating impactful code will empower others while solidifying your place in this competitive landscape. Remember, the coding landscape is always evolving, so adaptability is crucial. By staying flexible and responsive to trends, you can ensure your snippets remain relevant and in demand. Selling code snippets not only rewards your technical skills but also fosters community growth among developers. As you embark on this journey, embrace the learning process and continuously seek out new ways to innovate in your coding endeavors. Together, let's transform your passion into a successful and enduring venture.